Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo semuanya, perkenalkan nama saya Muhammad Restu Maulana dari kelas 3A Alat Berat Politeknik Negeri Banjarmasin. Terima kasih atas kesempatan yang telah diberikan kepada saya untuk menyampaikan sedikit pengetahuan saya mengenai presentasi dalam berbahasa Inggris. Ya, cara beberapa hal yang perlu diperhatikan saat kita presentasi adalah di dalam presentasi harus memuat 3 hal ini: starting, transitioning, dan ending. Dan di video kali ini saya akan membahas sedikit mengenai starting the presentation. Nah, di dalam starting of presentation ada beberapa hal yang harus kita utarakan dan tercantum. Yang pertama adalah greetings, starting the topic, giving the outline, informing the duration, and holding a Q&A session. Ya, yang pertama adalah pembukaan salam, bisa berupa salam sekaligus perkenalan, masuk di bagian greeting. Kemudian starting the topic, memberitahukan topik apa yang akan kita presentasikan nanti, materi-materi yang apa saja. Kemudian memberikan gambaran mengenai materi yang akan disampaikan. Selanjutnya memberikan informasi mengenai waktu lamanya presentasi berlangsung, dan kemudian adanya sesi tanya jawab. Untuk greeting di sini saya ada beberapa contoh, ada 3 contoh kalimat yang mungkin bisa menjadi referensi saat presentasi nanti. Ini ada contoh-contoh kalimatnya, ada 3. Good morning, best wishes to all of us. That I respect Mr. blah blah blah, Mrs. blah 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 blah, and my friend that I am proud of. Thank you for coming and taking the time. Okay. Good afternoon. Hello, good people. I'm blah 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 from blah 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 blah. I would like to say thank you for coming in my presentation. I'm glad to see you all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for coming to this presentation and honor to meet you here. Selanjutnya adalah stating the topic. Nih, di sini saya memiliki 6 referensi yang bisa digunakan, 6 contoh. On a question of today, I will explain or present about blah 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 blah. Indonesian proverb say, tak kenal maka tak sayang. Therefore, let me introduce myself. My name is blah 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 blah. This sunny morning, I will discuss about blah 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 blah. Thank you for joining me here, where the subject of my presentation is blah 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 blah. Thank you for coming here today. In this presentation, we will discuss about blah 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 blah. Okay, good people, maybe you are confused, or maybe you are asking about what material I will convey after seeing this picture. Okay, without lingering anymore, so on this occasion, I will discuss about blah 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 blah. My name's blah 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 from blah 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 blah. Thank you for the time given. All my friends, here I will present about blah 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 blah. Next, giving the outline. Di sini saya memiliki 3 contoh yang bisa kalian gunakan sebagai referensi. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, in this presentation, I would like to explain Firstly, about blah 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 blah. Secondly, blah blah blah. Thirdly, blah blah blah. And final, blah blah blah. In the presentation on the blah 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 material, I will be in several parts. First, we will discuss blah 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 blah. Then about blah blah blah. The third about blah blah blah. The fourth blah blah blah. And the last one is the closing. Ya, yang ketiga. Okay, my friends, to make it easier to understand about blah blah blah, I have divided this presentation into several parts. First of all, we will talk about blah 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 blah. The second, we will discuss about blah 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 blah. The third is about blah blah blah. The last is conclusion. Okay, next, informing the duration. Nah, ini penting bagi kita sebagai yang mempresentasikan, memberitahu audiens mengenai lamanya waktu kita presentasi. Di sini ada beberapa contoh, ada 4 contoh yang saya punya. In this presentation, I divided it into two sessions. The first was a material session for approximately 40 minutes, and the second a question and answer session for approximately 20 minutes. The presentation will last 30 minutes. I urge my friends to stay focused and calm during the presentation. I will take 50 minutes of your time. Atau bisa juga seperti ini yang simple. This will be brief. It shall only last 20 minutes. Nah, ini untuk sesi tanya jawab. Kalimat yang bisa saya beritahu kepada kalian seperti ini. Ada 3 contoh yang bisa saya berikan. Yang pertama, the question and answer session will be at the end of the material session. So for all my friends who want to ask question can wait until the end of this material. The question and answer session is limited to 5 questioner. For friends who want to ask the question can be saved first until we enter the question and answer session. For those who want to ask, please raise your hand first. Dan ini adalah contoh saat kita memulai presentasi, hal-hal yang tadi sebelumnya sudah saya beritahu, saya bahas. Di sini saya akan mencontohkan secara keseluruhan. Good morning, good people, my friends. Thank you for coming and joining all of you in this presentation. I hope that what I have to say can be useful for all of us. On this occasion, I will explain about the lubrication system on heavy equipment engines. But before getting into the presentation material, there is an Indonesian proverb that say, tak kenal maka tak sayang. Therefore, I'm Ristu from the Banjarmasin Polytechnic. Okay, back to the topic of discussion about the lubrication system on heavy equipment engines. To make it easier to understand, I have divided this material into 4 parts. First, we will discuss the component contained in the lubrication system. The second is about the function of each lubrication component. The third is about how the lubrication system works. And the last is regarding the maintenance of the lubrication system. I divided this presentation into two sessions. The first was a material session for approximately 40 minutes, and the second a question and answer session for approximately 20 minutes. If my friends all have questions about the material I convey, the question can be saved in advance until the question and answer session later at the end of the material. For the question and answer session, I limit it to only 5 questionnaires. Okay, without lingering any longer, we will go straight to the presentation material. Ya, seperti itu contoh dari memulai presentasi. Mungkin itu saja dulu yang dapat saya sampaikan, kurang lebihnya mohon maaf. Mohon maaf juga atas pronunciation yang kurang jelas. Terima kasih, semoga bermanfaat. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.